I'm going to demonstrate how to perform a live migration from end to end, everything you need to do to make this work. Now, there are a few prerequisites, we'll call them. I'm going to go to the virtual machine RTS Serve 2, which we created in an earlier lesson. I'm going to rename the computer to be RTS Serve 2. I'm going to set a static IP address. I'm going to connect it to the virtual switch named vSwitch. That is the switch that RTS Serve 1 and RTS DC1 are using. I'm going to then join it to the domain. I'm going to install Hyper-V. Now, we know from an earlier lesson, to install Hyper-V on a virtual machine, you do have to enable this virtualization nesting. We do that from PowerShell on the host, so we will do that as well. Once those things are done, we will then perform our live migration. Now, in the next section, I'm going to walk through how to do all of these things, just so if you do this in your own environment, you don't miss any steps and you know exactly how the process works.